1/3 of adults discover infidelity on their partner's phone. Are you the fourth? While parents worry about their children's online safety, adults also face their own online crises: suspicious text messages, secret social media accounts, unexplained whereabouts. The most covert monitoring solution of 2026. Everything is under control: social chat logs, GPS location, even every keystrokes, completely hidden, never leaked. Other apps require technical skills or are easily detected. SpyX works on any iPhone or Android phone. No installation required on the target device. Cloud technology means setup takes only 3 minutes. Quick and secure. Whether you want to protect your children or uncover the truth in a relationship, SpyX puts you in control. Say goodbye to what if overthinking. Important note: SpyX is for legal monitoring only. You must obtain the consent of the person being monitored, whether it's your minor children or employees using company devices. Transparency builds trust. Don't live in suspicion. Don't guess what's hidden, because in the digital age, seeing is believing.